Hindi, nakalayla yung mga handmade.
Ah, yan yung ano. Ah, yan yung tax.
No, not you, Asha. Ay, yung meron siya pala. Oo. Ikaw.
Yan yung
Ako
tax.
kasi ito nung kiniksin nila, ba?
Ayaw mo na, sige.
Sandali. What should we do?
Saan mo ba nilagay yung GST mo?
Kaso nasa inyo, diba? Wala naman ako claim eh.
Wala
Kasi
siya.
Wala
kung
nga.
pagkain.
Passport ko kasi yung kinuha
Kasi-
nila.
O si Marley.
Already.
Oh.
Pwede pa ito.
Nasa check-in ka niya yung dos.
With or without handphone. Passport mo.
Yan yung refund ano. GST refund for purchase.
Okay.
Props, yan.
You can only claim GST refund for purchase you are bringing out of Singapore. Please untick those purchases that you're not bringing out. Okay?
Antique.
Next.
Yeah. So, correct.
Yeah.
Next. Credit card? Is it credit card?
I use credit card.
Yeah, credit card, yeah?
No, yung refund sa nilalagay credit
Sa
card
credit
na.
card, please select the refund.
Pwede rin atang
Gusto
cash
mo
yan
na
eh. Cash mo na lang.
Cash na daw.
SGD balo.
After departure pero.
Eh, dito na lang, credit card
Credit
na lang.
Napa-enter na naman sa akin ang mga details, hindi na.
Enter your credit.
Hindi namin yun.
Credit card na
I
naman.
don't know where's my card.
Asan yung chip mo? Here. Insert your card.
Here. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Like
there,
this?
Yes. Balik ka.
Like balik ka?
Ay, tama yan.
Facing up.
In red, just remove it.
Okay na.
Wait, well, listen.
Approve. And session.
So, you confirm it.
Yeah, that's your discount for the props. $5.
Scan QR code. Scan!
What QR code? The one, no? This one, the receipt?
May receipt ba? Lumabas?
What?
Scan your QR code.
What QR code?
For updates on refund. Akin na yung ano. Para
Yung
baka this
resibo.
one.
Baka yung resibo.
No, 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 no.
Yung resibo mo.
I-scan mo to. Para.
So I'll take a picture.
Yes, please. Come on.
Where's my cell phone? So I'll take a picture.
Take a picture, then scan mo.
Now na?
Yes. Sure. That's the end session.
Suran mo lang.
Walang connection. Mag-connect ka na dito.
Ano sabi naman yung for updates naman?
Updates lang naman yan eh.
You don't want to scan.
Later na lang. Kasi sabi naman niya, on the status of your transaction. Okay.